back to Emmanuel Plays, and don't forget to like and subscribe, put the notification bell on. Come when you're done. Some more. Where am I? I'm supposed to be in my vacation. Hello, where am I? I'm in vacation. Hello. Okay. There's nobody here, and I'm scared right now, and I'm terrified, and I don't even know where to go. Wait. Why? What is this? What is this? Crush Clans or something like that? Whatever this is. Blah, 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 something like that. But, you guys, where am I? I'm just literally walking still, and I don't know what to... Sorry. You killed the cow. But I can't cross that because I can't cross the grass and I die. A bull! Oh, I wish I could save that poor thing. That's sad. I wish I could save the bull. Well, what is that cage up there? Let's go check it out. Bed. We need to pass this. Bed. Yay! Oh no, never mind. We still need more beds. Bed. No! I don't want to stall over, please. No, thanks. I don't want to stall over again. Because I don't like starting all over. Okay, so we're almost there. Pretty much. Yes, we made it. I think we're supposed to get inside. Do you think we should get inside? Yes or no? I'll wait for you for a second. So, yes? Okay. Okay, we're in there. What is that up there? How am I gonna climb? Here, let me grab some tools. There. Are you ready, guys? We're going up. So scary. I don't like going up. Okay, I can't even go up anymore. I just went to the wrong way. And I'm supposed to go over here. Okay, we made it. Let's go up here. And up over here. What is that noise? What is that? It just barked. It made a barking noise. Is that a dog? Is that my dog? My dog has a blue collar, so I hope that's not my dog. If it's somebody else's dog, I'll just save it still. Cause my neighbor... That was an epic fail. Okay. But my neighbor has a dog that has a red leash. And she said she lost her, so it might be her dog. And I hope this is my dog, because I hope it's not. Okay, I might have to pause this video quick. Okay, we got to the top already, and it's, please don't, what is it? My dog! No! What are you gonna do? No! He put me in survival! Stop! Get away from my dog! Ah! Dog! Hello? No! You guys, subscribe for I can save my dog. And then subscribe for I can save my dog. If you guys want me to do another video to save my dog and take him back home. I missed him and I need him back. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Put the notification bell on. And also like this video and subscribe to get my dog back, you guys. Oh, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.